El que quiera pedir.
So, just suck it up and do it. All right, for me. Terrific. Love you.
Da un segundo.
Are you absolutely sure that he is the leak?
The little shit broke wide open. He confessed to everything.
Fucking nut. I can tell right now I'm about to nut. I'm about to nut that shit.
Sir.
I'm about to nut that shit. I'm about to nut.
I'm sorry. It happens when I'm nervous.
You gotta be nervous. Just go on, tell him what you told me. I know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Whatever you want to know.
How does it work?
Well, there's a hole in the suit so the webs can get out.
No. How does it work with William Butcher?
Yeah, well, he comes to me.
Huh?
I tell him what he wants to know.
Oh, I'm about to nut. I'm about to nut.
That's just embarrassing.
Just shut the fuck up. Now, one of Butcher's crew was wearing your nasty-ass suit to take it. Did you give it to him?
I'm not proud of it.
There it is.
Help me out with something here. A few weeks back, how did you know where I was meeting Victoria New?
Look, I messed up. I know. I'm sorry,
Brother, this guy stinks!
I don't feel very good. But you're gonna meet this British guy.
Leaked audio of Billy Butcher, aka That British Guy reaction.
Do you honestly think you're fucking funny? Seriously. You're a fucking ugly little cunt, mate, and if I ever see you, I'm gonna fucking slit your fucking face wide open, yeah? You're a fucking angry little fucking spastic. But I'll tell you what, you fat little cunt.
What will this mean for the rest of The Boys Season 4?
He's a liar. Fucks with your brain.
Feeble brains, maybe.
Yes. Feeble. I'm all fucked up. I screwed you. I'm so sorry. I'll make you proud. I swear to God.
Oh, buddy, what am I gonna do with you?
I'm about to go.
Jesus.
Don't stop.
It wasn't me.
Brutality. Homelander wins. Flawless victory.
Thank you, Firecracker.
You bet.